Here's a little bit I wrote. You might want to trade it note for note. Don't worry, take profit. Don't worry, take profit.
Don't worry,
Take profit.
don't worry.
Take profit. Take profit. Don't worry, take a visit. Now you wait for that VWAP slap to hit. No namby-pamby out here chasing the bid. You hold your line, you hold your line, you hold your line. Don't worry, take profit.
Don't worry,
Take profit.
don't worry.
Take profit.
Now don't you be a douche, canoe and cry. When you round trip your bag and wonder why. Take your small wins and your even smaller losses. The gang up in here trading like bosses. Ooh.
We don't worry, no, we don't worry. Don't worry, take profit.
Don't worry,
Take profit.
don't worry.
Take profit.
Don't worry.
Take profit.
We're making crypto honest again. Stay true to the digital, my friend.
Don't worry, take profit.
On the comer, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of haters, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the comer, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the comer, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto.
AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto. Good morning, Otter gang. Good morning, everybody. Happy hump day. Hopefully you've all crushed Tuesday. Now you're ready to crush hump day and coast into the beautiful end of the week. Hopefully we've all had a beautiful day. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the anniversary wishes yesterday. I mean, we went and had some bison New York strip loins. I don't even know. It's a little bit gamey compared to a cow. But damn, Daniel. It was pretty good. It was pretty good. Let's jump into the charts. Has anybody here had bison? Put a 1 in the chat if you've had some bison. Bison. I would say bison. Yummy. Everybody thinks it's going to dump right now, so I think we're going to go, we're going to probably go up here. But we're not going to just buy green candles. Bison burger is yummy. Yeah, I went on a road trip across all of Canada, and I saw a herd of bison. Like, I'm talking like 100 bison on the road. And I got a video of one, and it did like a full-on somersault. I think they're like not the smartest animals, but they're massive. Did you guys see the bison headbutt recently? The bison toss, I guess I would You see the bison video that went viral? Did you guys see that one?
Docked, then
Did you guys see that? I don't know if this is gonna get. Did you guys see this? All right, so this old man, he played dumb. He played knick-knack on his bum or whatever. So this guy, instead of like climbing up the tree, this was recent at Yellowstone, guys.
thrown into the air by a massive bison.
Bro, this guy got so much air. He's running around. He's trying to get away from this thing. So he's over here. His kid here is smart. Gets out of dodge. Oh yeah, take your picture, but watch out, man. You got to climb the tree. There's only one thing you should be doing here is climbing the damn tree. It's coming over. It's not happy, man. It's chasing him around the tree. You look at him. Boof. Bro, this guy. You see how high? Look how high he goes. At this point, he knew he fucked up. Whoa. Bro got like so much air. Did you guys see that video? Bro, that's the Michael Jordan air bison. Yeah, this guy's so high in the air. My God, we all need to do like a merch drop, right? We could blank it out. We could do like a merch drop of just like the guy in the air, and just crop that onto it like an Air Jordan hat, right? Let me take a screenshot of it. Got to get the full leg spread. So we got the full leg spread here. This guy, this is a big burly man too, guys. Look at this. Okay, so we got the all right. So we got to trace the outline, right? Bitcoin looks like it's pushing right now. We got to trace. His head's just is buckled, right? We got the outline here, right? And then we get, oh my God, this guy got so much air. He's got to be at least a good 16, 20 feet off the, I mean, this guy's back is done for life. If we trace the perimeter here,
Look at these. Look at this art attack, man. We're doing it this morning. Holy smokes. How are we starting like this? This is so good. So we got our image here. Oh, let's not do that. All right, we can get rid of him. Now all we now we can put it on some hats and shit. Air Jordan. So I'll have to get some hats made up. If you know, you know. Black hat. And it'll be like a Jordan hat. Right? We can make a Michael Jordan. We'll call it Air Bison. All right? Air Bison. We'll get this guy here. We'll put this one under. Yeah, the brush on top. Can we shrink it down a little bit? Oh my God, I'd so rock that. We got some. I don't know how. How do we get on to these topics, man? You guys are great, man. But this guy had no chance. I mean, don't mess with them. Stay in your car. Like, even then, your car's at threat. Like, they're massive animals. They will F you up, man. There is no chill on the bison, okay? What are you thinking getting that close to one of those things? That's like walking around the house naked around Django. You know, you're gonna you're gonna catch it. Oh, shout out to Django. Oh man, Django's been crushing it lately. Very profitable. What's going on, gang? Good to see you. Thank you for being here. I don't know why we started with that, but you know, 150 people in here. We got to talk shit, have some fun, right? Very scammy price action, guys. Welcome to the gong show that is the price action here. So we'll see. Down seems more probable. VWAP. You know what's interesting is SpaceX right now. SpaceX is great earnings and down for the count. All right, who's pumping this thing now? Who's pumping this up? Into VWAP here. We got Solana pushing into our 74 area of resistance. Bitcoin vertical. What's going on, guys? Is there news or something? Or is it just London getting their last little session in here? Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the AlexOCrypto show where, you know, we take the trades, we show the trades, we have fun. And sometimes sometimes we just talk a bunch of smack and have a good laugh. I would go back to Yellowstone and I would capture that bison. If that bison did that to me, I'd become a hunter. Okay, I'd be like Turok. Good morning, Dusty. Good morning, BTC DCA. What's going on, man? Bagat, good morning. God bless you too, man. Army Piper in here having wet dreams. Good morning, man. Son of the King. Aaron, hell yeah. Alex Martinez, good morning. Milan. Mr. Senhor, good morning. Good to see you, Miller. F13, Laurent, Crypto Titan, Sri and Pandy, Guy Kemp. My man, how you doing? Good to see you. Thank you for always being here, Sri Ann and Guy. Good morning, Brack. Army Piper with the wet dream, because he has all his dream stuff already. He's got his dream partner, his dream house, his dream car. And now he just needs a wet dream. I don't know. What else? What other dreams can you have? World peace, I think. G1, Isaac, good morning. Good to see you. Time. Chantel, good morning. Hopefully, you had a wonderful day. Chantel was the first one to wish me happy anniversary. Thank you, Chantel. We had some bison. I didn't get my ass whooped by a bison, but we had some bison. It was pretty good. And we got my son. He got meatballs and marinara sauce and some pita bread. My son devoured this. I don't think I've ever seen my son eat the way I did yesterday. He was savage on this. Those meatballs had no chance. Love that kid, man. He's so good. Kevin, good to see you. Fred, how you doing? And Capital, good morning. Good to see you, dependable. How you guys doing? Gang, gang, gang. Gold is flying. Okay. Good morning. MO2 Terry. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good to see you, bro. How you doing, JR Prince? Mr. Becco, good morning. BTC, thank you for being here. Wayne Rossi, thank you, man. Yeah, we did have a great day. I mean, my wife and I have been married for 2 years, which it feels like chump change. Like we've been together 7 in total. We've known each other 9. Trust me, those first 2 years, she didn't want to date me. I wanted to date her, but I was still in my glory days, I guess you would say. But no, it was a wonderful day. Wonderful day, and life has really flipped for us, the trading and me not being a carpenter anymore and buying a house and having a son, and it's all happening, man. It's like happens so quick, it's pretty awesome. We got to have a nice dance to our wedding song in our living room. We got, you get a little mushy, right, on your, got to keep that fire alive, right? If you know, you know. Mojo Jojo, hell yeah. French Toaster and Capital. C-Town. I got her some big-ass flowers and bought her some big-ass steak. And the rest is none of your business. What's going on, Capital Miller? Hell yeah, Dusty. BTC, Wayne Rossi. No bisons in Africa. Ah. Yeah. They'd be lion food, wouldn't they? Good to see you, Trey, Tark. Hell yeah. All you guys eating bison. Good to see you, McCall. Capital. Good to see it in Europa. How's Europe these days, man? I'm gonna go visit Europe in October. I'm gonna go to the mass. Those people jumping over the wall like it's The Walking Dead or something. I'm going to Spain. I'm in for a treat, aren't I? I'm going to. My wife's got an uncle in Spain. We're going to visit them, and then we're going to a wedding in the UK in October. It's my one off this year. So we'll see how Europe is actually doing. Shout out to all my Europeans. God bless you guys. Hopefully you're doing all right. Good to see you. Laurent, Isaac, good morning. Thank you for being here. Terry, Mo, Notorious. That's crazy. You see that guy get some air, man. Fuck around and find out. You got bucked, right, Buck? You got That guy went flying. I am pumping the price action, yeah. Right now into VWAP slap. Coming back for some late shorts. Where are we at? Really, right now, this is... I wouldn't even treat this as momentum anymore. Buy low, sell high. Trying to hold here and continue upwards. Bullish momentum. We got liquidity to come grab up in here. Bear Jordan. Air Bison. Oh, it's so good. Oh, man. Got to keep the drawing. Should we keep it? If I Alt Z this thing, I could possibly get it back here. No, I don't think so. Oh, maybe it was on this chart. Ah, there we go. I'll keep it. I'll put it in the Wave Cipher NFTs. Hey, gold is going off right now. Take a look here. Where's the NFTs? Here it is. I'll put it in there. There, it's saved now. So gold is flying, apparently. I bought a bunch of gold at 4,000. Okay. First mitigation of the high. So this is our first kind of strength warning sign here on gold. Been waiting for this. Haha, let's go, baby. Let's go, gold. I love gold. Do you love gold? I mean, I bought down here. Big accumulation model here. Gold takes its sweet ass time. Sweet. I mean, it's just a hedge against debasement of currency, right? That's basically gold. I'm not a gold bug or anything. I'm not. Why does my indicator look really weird right now? It's so small. Is my scale all messed up? Oh, wow. This is too high. This should be like 10 and 10. That's better. That's better. I don't know what I did there. I might have to restart all of this. Bitcoin's flying, man. Any reason for that? You guys know? I gotta take up the screen right now. Then I gotta restart trading view. Thank you everybody for being here. We are pushing out right now. Gotta restart my trading view. Gang.
Gang. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a namby-pamby. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a namby-pamby.
Wait for the trade on the gang. That's how the money is made. Wow, nice push up here. Here we go, baby. Solana following suit. Flipping support here. Continuation up. So gold is ripping right now. Maybe Army Piper knows why. This is juicy. Let's go, baby. There is no second best, guys. Michael Saylor. He's buying. No, he's actually selling. Wow. All right. Dusty is printing. Let's go, baby. Nice push here for Biddy. We're flying. Coming into this market open here. My God, 820 already, and it's just ripping, melting face. SpaceX gapped down after earnings yesterday. Something to be aware of. ES. ES is pretty flat. NASDAQ. No real reaction here either. Soy Boy Lana following suit here. We got a potential breakout coming in right here. We'll see. And Biddy catching a big bid right now, coming into resistance. Damn, nice pump, guys. Nice pump. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. I'm ready to short this thing down to 0. I thought JR was saying short this thing on his stream. I saw his stream for like 20 minutes and he said to short it. JR, where are we shorting this thing? My best attempt at the no notorious. Good to see you, man. Why Crypto? Good morning. Good to see you, Nick. Army Piper, full pedal. Hell yeah. Big sweep of the high. Holy volume. Look at the volume coming in on that candle. Holy Macintosh. 1's in the chat if you're long. That's the way. Thank you for being here. Christian, good morning. Curtis Hill, Crypto Rog. I have it all. Let's go. Dream Tools. Yeah. We're all just walking in with Milwaukee packouts and good morning. Gang, gang, gang. We are flying. Good morning, Fam Jam. Thank you guys for being here. 200 and a lot people here. Not enough likes, but I'm grateful for you guys. Thank you for being here. All that's required is a good morning. We do a $1,500 giveaway today, so make sure you guys are signed up with Bitunix. It's a trap! Yeah, probably. Here's that sweep of highs. Gotta look at gold here. What's gold doing? Gold doesn't care. Gold is flying, baby. Army Piper, he's buying gold. Army Piper's buying gold. Damn. What a candle. No trade for me. Holy smokes, Batman. This thing is a rocket ship. I mean, no real. I mean, bull div continuation up. Solana cooling off. Liquidity taken out of the highs right now. Breakout retest continuation. Damn. Bitcoin swept the highs. So this would be like bearish divergence SFP. We would short here and we would send it to 0. But I'm not touching this. No trades right now. Some beautiful trades that we took in the Discord. My God. We've been crushing it in there. That's been lots of fun. No trade here. Kaboom. Yeah. Vinny, good morning. Good afternoon. Django, we were talking about you at the beginning of the stream, man. Walking around naked and stuff. Django's been putting in the work. Having a very, what do? You turn 500 into $4,000 or something like that? Great work, man. Keep up the good work. Jason, good to see you. It's a trap. They call that a green dildo. Absolutely. Jenny, how's it going, D. Jenny from the blockchain, my man? Heath, French Toaster, Moonshine. Shumi, good morning. Thank you for being here. We got Wix Wi-Fi 89. What's going on? Good to see you as well, Crypto Titan, Marius. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Look at all those otters. Otters in the chat, baby. Let's spam the crap. We used to just spam channels back in the day. That's where we originated, really. Good to see you, Got Wood. And Capital. Karim, good morning. Good to see you guys. Thank you for being here. Good morning, Hamdroid. How you doing? Ali, BB, Death Voice, good morning. Good to see you, man. Have you seen Marcus Cypher be on the daily? Yeah, it's juicy. It's juicy. Possible SFP here, yeah. I mean, I'm not touching it. You guys are all going to gig along here. And either you're going to win or you're going to get trapped. You guys do you. I'm not in it. Solana's ripping, though. Solana looks juicy, baby. Go, Solana, go. Oh, Solana. Giving everybody the FOMO. NASDAQ trying to go. Gold doesn't care. SpaceX gapped down this morning. Whew. Bitcoin still melting face, baby. Bitcoin melting face. Let's go. Pump it, baby. Let's go for all those longs in the chat. GG's. GG's, GG's. Keen Bean, good to see you. Wally. Good morning, Rudy. Good to see you, man. ADP private jobs. Fake move up. Look out. I mean, I ain't touching it. Looks like a trap. Smells like a trap. Probably a trap. Solana coming for those highs. Biddy pushing. My God, what a nice move here for Soy Boy Lana. Continuation out. There's some juicy price action here. Holy smokes. Buyers stepping up. Where did this candle come from? Anybody got any reporting to do here? I'm just too busy looking at Bison this morning. My God. Good to see you guys. Manipulation. Is it water on the knee? GG's pumped to 64,700. Okay. We do have a sell wall in here, the Wayne Rossi level. Good morning, Bison. We got Bison in the chat. Did Kramer say he sold his Bitcoin? That's okay. Good morning, Koopa Loop. There's nothing in the news. Okay. Nice push. Nice push. I mean, bear market, we get a 0.5% pump and we get all excited, eh? Whatever happened to those like 15% daily candles, Piper? Remember those back in the day? Whatever happened to those? Oh, man. The good old days. Now we're just here with our 0.5% candles. A little bit of exhaustion here. Sweep of the highs. Possibly look for continuation. Just want to see retracement first. A 2-minute block down here on Solana. Interested in here maybe for potential continuation. Biddy has taken liquidity of the highs. I think trapping longs right now. No trade for me. Gold cooling off a little bit here. Nasdaq double top, rotation down. We have a massive Bart Simpson on the Nasdaq. It just got absolutely. This is like the land before time, long neck dinosaur pattern here, guys. So the Simpsons, you know. Just saying. Watch that Nasdaq overextended, in my opinion. ES as well. ES overextended as well. I'm not saying short the farm. I'm just saying, I mean, how, you know, the bid is coming in. The SPY all-time highs, right? Hitting our key level of resistance, our fib extension at 750. Look how well those fib extensions work, man. You can't write it any better. Oh, man. Yeah, so this is looking good. Nasdaq's looking good. Bitcoin's chop at the top now, stalling out, no trade. The idea is that we are overextended to the downside. However, after a big girthy candle like this, I mean, this is beautiful. Can we get going? Can we break this downtrend, right? Big downtrend, accumulation bottom in here, continuation up. Lots of liquidity below us. However, the buyers keep stepping in here and pushing price up. So is this where we short? You tell me. Treat it like a range. We get acceptance back into the range. We can potentially look to short, but right now, I think they're trapping longs up at the highs. And I'm in no trades right now. I'm just trying to remain patient. VWAP creeping up here. So possible retest back down this candle and then continuation. Solana still has liquidity to come and take above. Bitcoin trying to hold here. Yeah, higher term time frames, obviously, we just have like that cascading liquidity all the way up. We've held the lows here. Now we have bear divs in here and SFP. So right now, this would be where we short generally into liquidity of the lows, but we seem to be holding quite strong here. So no trade. I would like confirmation for the short, especially after a pump like that. So we're just looking to establish a low, break the low kind of deal, and then we would look to short. We'll see. Cooling off a little bit here. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 310 people here on the live stream. You guys are top notch, man. I appreciate you guys spending the time with me. Got 30 people over on X. What's going on, everybody? Good to see you over there. Thanks for the follow. Thanks for hanging out. Hopefully you're having a good day. Cooling off here. A bunch of y'all shorting here, right? Not for me. Gold cooling off here. Bitcoin following gold right now. Overextended to the upside here. Patience, patience. All right. Solana retest our previous highs. I would look for 74 to hold here. Halfway down the candle. 64.3. 64.3, possible continuation up here. Pretty aggressive sell-off here coming back for all these late longs in here. So patience right now, no trade. Thank you everybody for being on the live stream and hanging out here. We got a plethora of you. How many likes do we got today? Oh, awesome. 100 likes already. You guys are doing great, man. Thank you for liking the stream and helping the Canadian suppression of crypto and talking shit. Thank you guys for slapping that button, man. I appreciate it. It does help the channel. It helps us grow. Growers and showers every single day. That's a very bearish candle here. Rotation down here on the Bitcoin price action after a very interesting push. Is it a liquidity grab, or are we going to continue to push? That is always the question. Up, down, all around. We tend to answer that pretty good here on the stream most days. And participate as safely as possible. Take these trades. Show you guys our trades. Lots of fun. See if we do hold. The only requirement here, you don't have to hit the like button. You don't have to sign up with the Bitunix link. I mean, we do $5,000 giveaway every day, but you do need to say good morning. Like, don't be weird, man. So thank you for saying good morning. Thank you for being here, everybody. Bitcoin getting a little bit of a push here. We're here live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Taking the trades, showing the trades, doing the thing. Laughing at people getting bucked in the air by bison. And eating the bison. We actually have a bison rancher in our Discord. He's been around from day one. He great guy. He's been around forever. I think he's a Montana bison rancher. Pretty cool. New York will eat the candle on the way down. Nothing on the news. Okay. Good morning, CC. Good morning, Bob. How you doing, man? Good morning, FR. How you doing? FR has been crushing it. Go to the gym. My wife and I had a conversation about getting back. My wife and I used to be gym rats. My wife was a personal trainer. And yeah, we used to work out a lot. Lots of cardio. Too far. But yeah, we're thinking about getting. I've been pretty slack with the gym life, so we're building a plan to get back into it. I mean, I'm in decent shape, but round is a shape, right? What's going on, David from the Cranksters? Shout out to Crypto Crank, family of the channel. Okay, continuation up here. What's going on, Ross? Good to see you. Thank you for being here. Keen Bean, good morning. Deadlift squats. I used to be able to, like, I'm 140 pounds. I used to be able to deadlift 310 was my PB, my peanut butter. Personal best, guys. I'm still tradesman strong. Like, you work in construction. You work in construction for 15 years doing form work. You don't really lose it, you know. But it would be good to get back into doing some exercise. Golf can't be considered exercise. I like golf, but it's not physical. What's going on, DDT? Good to see you, man. Impressive. I mean, I was a bit of a gym rat. Proof of cycle? Yeah. I used to have... I could find you some gym rat photos if you want. When AlexOCrypto was buff. Oh, man. You know the ones you take in the mirror that you're embarrassed about, but you send them to your wife? Oh. Oh, yeah. I don't know if this is gay or not. It's probably gay, man. This is probably gay. I'm going to do it anyways. How do I send it to Discord here? Oh yeah, this is so gay. You guys are gonna be like, wow, AlexOCrypto. This is the one I used to send to my wife, you know? I used to be buff, man. AlexOCrypto. You see? Shredded. Shredded. As gay as it gets, man. As gay as it gets. You all looked at me with half shirt on. All right? Used to be shredded. I feel so gay right now. All right. Is that your grinder profile pic? Anybody who makes fun of me obviously is fat, right? Like, don't put yourself in that category if you're gonna like. We can all talk shit, but you know, you can't see your penis, so you can't talk shit. Oh man. This is why we click the this is not meant for kids, right? Right? Don't worry, I did delete it. Nice rack, bro. There we go. DDT's getting back into it. Swipe left. Oh man, we're getting the trolls out. We love it. Good fun, man. Oh man. The good old days when you didn't have children and a business and a wanking chariot to hang out on and talk smack. You know what it is I'm blaming it having kids, and that's a poor excuse. I should be working out more. I'm supposed to be inspirational. That's my Jason Casper shout out. I'm gonna try to be. No, that man is huge. Jason Casper's calves are bigger than me. He shit's bigger than me, probably. I'm only 5'4", so. All right, chop at the top here, guys. Very indecisive. Gold cooling off quite aggressively here. NASDAQ flat, looking to continue. I like this laddering from NASDAQ. Possible come up for the highs. Solana cooling off as well. Kind of a breakout here, but if gold's going to cool off and gold left to rally, then Bitcoin's going to cool off too. Bitcoin has taken the liquidity out of the highs, trying to break out of this like downtrending momentum here, this green line. I'm not really too keen on the green line right now. Let's get rid of this. So key level of support, trying to hold and push here. See if we can continue on the Bitcoin price action. Thank you, everybody, for being here and looking at me half naked. Oh, man. Too funny. Too funny. And Bitcoin getting quite a big old push up here. See if we can continue. Looking to get up into, I mean, we got a lot of resistance above us, guys. So 65, 300 if we do continue to push here. Breaking out of this massive downtrend. If we go on like a 4-hour and we take a look here in general, what we see, right? We can see we do have this downtrending momentum. I just opened up Steam by accident. Misclick. Is it going to pop up? Here we go. So breaking out of this consolidation, we can put this high wherever we want to go. Maybe it's not breaking out, but we're at that top of the range, right? So we want to see confirmation continuation. The problem is the amount of liquidity in the lows here. But I do like the 3 drives up at the lows for for the reversal, right? So you got high, low, high, low, high, low, but you got 3 drives down here. This is typical reversal structure, coming back for some of the liquidity and looking to push up into that major liquidity zone at 67. Okay, major resistance. Consolidation sideways. Are we going to do it today? I'm not convinced. Okay, so I would, I prefer this, to be honest. However, we're at the highs here, so we don't want to fade the trend necessarily. We can see we have uptrending momentum here, holding the lows quite nicely. Okay, and continuing to push. Lots of liquidity below us. Okay, lots of sweep levels for us to come and grab. So if this, then that. Right now, we would have bearish divergence in here, SFP. Something to keep in mind, okay, coming into price action today. So also we do have news data coming out. I believe today is ISM day. Is today ISM? Today is ISM, yeah. ISM services coming in, PMI. That's coming in at 10 o'clock. Okay, we've had a lot of news this week. We also have the big one on Friday, non-farm and unemployment rate. So a lot to look forward to into Friday, keeping that reality check in there. Rates is 50-50 of a potential rate increase. I think it's 40-60. No hike, potential hike, right? So we'll see. September would be when they would do it. So it's a very important Fed meeting coming up in September. We're not there yet. Okay, we're in July. So trying to push. Everybody's talking about that market cipher daily trigger wave that is printing. Oh my god, it looks so bullish. I agree. I mean, we got a triple bottom here, VWAP, anchor trigger wave, right? We got this uptrending momentum in here. This looks juicy. Trigger wave to the upside, printing, pushing out, overextended on VWAP, could cool off here. So we'll see if that wants to continue, but beautiful ramping on money flow. My only concern is this 3-day trigger wave pushing down, so be aware of that. 3-day trigger wave pushing down, trigger wave pushing up. So a little bit of controversy there. And then our weekly needs to hold the 0 line here. Okay, weekly looks good, just needs to hold the 0 line. Be aware of that as well. Going into our 12-hour as well, the trigger wave to the downside. Overextended VWAP, momentum wave. Still looks bullish, like no clipping, no turning here, but we have negative posturing here on our VWAP. So that could lead to pulling this down. Be aware of that, okay? This could be a trap. Okay. 8-hour money flow is looking good. Continuation up, but the 4, 3, and 2 and 1 are overextended. Okay, so understand this. We are up here, overextended on all 4, 3, 2, and then the 1 hour has a trigger wave. So the 1 hour potentially pushing out here, but I would look for lower high, continuation down. Bearish divergence, right? So keeping that in mind, when we're looking at this higher term price action, we can see overextension pushing down, right? Overextension pushing down. If this is an oscillator, right, then we are looking to oscillate down, which would mean we would look for this. Okay. If this, then that, though. Right? We can't just go solely based off an oscillator. We can see daily pushing out accumulation model down here. Break, retest, continuation out, coming for the liquidity at the highs. It's very basic. So that's where we should be targeting. However, the thing is that we've left this area right here behind. So potentially returning to this area, then bottoming would be ideal. That would be ching. We would look for very big gigalongs down in here. So if this, then that. Prepared all the time, right? That's it. As a scalper, I need to understand where we're going and how we're going to get there, but I don't necessarily need to just wait for a price action to return to here or return to here. I can scalp this thing any which way. We've been range bound. It's been pretty easy. Define your highs, define your lows, trade in between the highs and the lows, buy and sell with confirmation. All right, so if this, then that. We've done really well this week. We're up over two and a half grand. We've deposited 15,000 into our bank account this week as well. The account's at 37,050 bucks, showing the trades, taking the trades every single day. That's how we roll here, 37.50. Okay, we took an amazing Solana long in the Discord yesterday for $1,000. That was great. It's just been a total print fest. I mean, it's bear market price action, and we're doing extremely well in our community. So I'm very proud of I see a lot of the traders building in the bear, right? I see, I see Wayne building. I see FR building. I see Django doing really well, right? Flipping some accounts. That's looking really good on you. Dusty's been crushing it, right? Son of the King, Slam Banjo, Lava. I've seen Bearded Mac. I've seen you guys all putting in the work. A really nice testimonial this morning. Thank you for that, right? Hoto says, I can't even put into words what this means to me. A sincere thank you to AlexOCrypto and every trader who shared insight, tips, and support along the way. You gave me more than knowledge. You gave me confidence. Because of that, I've been able to retire early, trade full-time doing what I love, and be there for my family like I always dreamt. More than profits, you've given me my life back. Thank you so much, right? God bless you, bro. Thank you for being in the family. And that's why we do it, right? I mean, you put in the work, you put in the effort over time. Hopefully we can help you guys do the same, right? It's pretty cool to get messages like that, you know. It's all fine and dandy. Like, we're all working together, right? This shit ain't easy. We're clicking candles and, you know, rolling the dice on a daily basis. All that we can manage is our strategy, our risk management, our interpretation of price action, and we continue to show up and kick ass, right? The Discord was built on purpose and freedom through crypto and trading. It was free for almost 3 years. Free Discord, free everything, right? And then it started growing, which is crazy. But no, we still stick to our roots, right? We show the trades, we take the trades, we talk shit, we have fun, we try to just be normal. I ain't no special person. We're all in it together. I mean, if a friggin' dumbass carpenter like my ass can figure this out, you can figure it out, man. That's it. So we'll see where we get to here. Looks like Bitcoin's cooling off a little bit. No trade up here for me. Looking for Solana to come back and retest 74. NASDAQ continues to climb, looking good. Gold resetting here, coming back, potentially retest their previous highs. Nice push out. SpaceX, gap down, guys. So this is going to be bad for the NASDAQ on open. We can see that on Tesla, on Micron, on Marvel. They're all gapping down. AMD, ALAP. Okay, all of these tech stocks look like they're cooling off today. They had an amazing run. It was up only on the NASDAQ yesterday. So keeping our eyes on the prize. I got a buy level at 103 for SpaceX, guys. I was kind of cheddar dicked yesterday. I don't know why I keep saying that. I was pissed off yesterday because of the pump. I was like, if I miss that by $1.50, I'll be pissed. But it looks like we might be coming down today. So I might be looking to potentially grab some. This was my extension level that I was looking for SpaceX. We'll see if we do come into there. So there's a freebie for you guys. And we'll see. But yeah, not looking too hot coming into market open. Bitcoin cooling off, rotation down right now. Looking to come back into VWAP. Solana looking to come back into 74 here. Key level of support and resistance. So a little bit of patience right now. Thank you everybody for being here on the live stream and supporting the channel. Carpenters aren't dumb. No, they're not. I mean, right? They're not dumb. It's a different type of smart, I guess. I mean, there's dumb everything, isn't there? There's dumb lawyers. There's dumb accountants. There's dumb, right? There's dumb pipe fitters, right? You laying pipe, man. That's okay. As long as you're laying pipe every day, right? But it's truly a privilege to be in here and serve you guys. Gold is pump and dump right now. Bitcoin pump and dump. Solana pump and dump. Down we go. Where we stop, Django knows. Trend range trend, right, Django? Did that flip a leaf for you? Trend range trend. That's sometimes there's eye-opening things, right? Measure 3 times, think twice, cut once. You forgot about going back and checking it as well. That's the one time killer. Is going back and checking what you were thinking. That's the time killer. If you can eliminate that part, you become much more efficient as a carpenter. When you're there and you're measuring, take another minute, okay? When you're there, where you're going to work, before you go back to your sawhorse, before you go back to wherever you're building this thing that you're building, look at it for a minute. Take a minute. Take a minute with where you're going to put it. After you've measured and everything, wrote down whatever you need to do, cut 78.5 inches, whatever, return bevel, blah, 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 inside corner, whatever you're looking at. Boom. Then stop and look at it. Kind of digest it. Then go to your cut table. Then go to your project. So you don't need to return to it. The time between is what fucks you. All right? You got the scrap piece of 2x4. You got your measurements. And then you just go back there and you're like, what the fuck is this hieroglyphics on my 2x4? Right? You didn't even write it neatly. Right? But you got to carry the old wood block of notes with you. I used to have a 2x4 like in my pouch at all times. What's the bias for BTC today? So we went through bias with market cipher. Right now we have an SFP of the high. We have a kind of initial pump on gold, pulling Bitcoin up with it, looking for a retest continuation. Trend has changed up. However, I would like lower. Cascading liquidity here to come in target if we are going to bearish divergence in here, and SFP, that's would be where we look to short. However, retest of previous highs, continuation up, a nice push out here. If NASDAQ wants to continue to climb, we can take part in that. But right now, judging by tech stocks, it looks like everything is gapping down, leading into market open. So I expect a little bit of a rug here initially. We'll see. Rotation down here on Bitcoin coming into VWAP. Coming into our support here on Solana as well. I still got like the plane from being on the airplane. I still got like the plane frog. Rotation. Good morning. Good morning. Good to see you. Yeah, man. I'm curious what people are trading on. Laptop, desktop, mobile device. I can't trade on a phone. I can do TA on a phone. I was doing TA in the airport on, what was it, Thursday, guys? And we dumped it. Thursday? That was Thursday dump. We all caught that big dump on Thursday. Where was that? That was here, right? Anyways, we caught an awesome move on the phone trade while I was in the airport. But I won't execute on my phone unless my computer goes down. If my computer goes down and I'm in a trade, I just like log on my phone and close it. I can't trade. I used to try and trade on my phone when I first started trading, and oh, buddy. Oh, it was not profitable at all. Force it to fit, yeah. Canadian aircrafts are dirty. What's going on, MP Trading? Good to see you. Three-screen PC. When on phone, I'm losing, yeah. Yeah, I got 3 screens, and I have 4 screens, but my stream is on one. And then I typically have NASDAQ trading, NASDAQ Bitunix main screen when I'm like in it. Is the Bitunix link for new signups only? I have an account already. We can swap you over. We can swap you over if you want to come into the Discord and open up a ticket. Or you can do a new sign up as well. We do $5,000 worth of giveaways every week. We do a lottery poll, right? And the good thing is that like my channel isn't massive, so you actually have a chance on winning the lottery. We have a lot of people in our Discord and stuff winning the lottery constantly, which is really good. We do the lottery every Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So today we'll do $1,500 giveaway, which is pretty cool. You get VIP 3, you get deposit bonuses, and I mean, Bitunix got good liquidity. In my opinion, I need to get filled and executed properly. And if I'm not getting that, then especially as a scalper. Like, I need the liquidity in order to have my trades closed properly, especially when I'm trading $500,000 position sizes and stuff like that. It's vital to my profitability. So I've had no issues with Bitunix. So you don't have to use the link, but I do appreciate the support. If you do want to sign up with the link, you can go right ahead. It's pinned in the comments. And the good thing is I have a really good rep from Bitunix, so they will, if you have slippage or any issues, I can assist you. And a lot of exchanges are going down right now. Like, I'd be cautious. Like, anything without proof of reserves. Okay, I see like these. I've gotten a couple of like requests to look at like BitBase. I've seen BitBase going around. No proof of reserves. KSEX, no proof of reserves. All right, like, you're asking. If you're trading small size, maybe, but like, you're asking for it, man. I would be very cautious, especially in the bear market when things are struggling. I started trading on FTX, guys. Okay, I was full on FTX, Sam Bankman-Fried. That was me. And you know what? It got liquidated, right? I mean, I didn't have a lot of money on the exchange. I think I had like 1,500. But it was poof, gone. You think I'm ever going to see that again? No. Right? So be careful of the exchanges you're using. There's going to be fees. You got to pay to play, right? Which is part of the deal. But remember, it's a tool. You want to use Ryobi, which would be like KSEX. You use like Ryobi, Black & Decker, Wish.com tools, or do you want to use like a Makita, or do you want to use a DeWalt drill, or do you want to use a Fest tool, right? You got to ask yourself, these are the tools you're looking to make money with, right? Are you going to go buy a chisel set at Lee Valley for $400 that's going to last you for the rest of your life? Or are you going to go on Amazon and buy these chisels and you're going to be tap, hitting the chisel, and then all of a sudden it pops and breaks apart and you end up buying 5 new sets of it, right? So they always said, good hands with bad tools still produces good results, but good hands with good tools can produce great results, right? Like, that's like you have shitty tools and good hands, you're still not going to be able to get to the point where you want to produce good work, right? It's the same with trading. I apply the same kind of principles I did with carpentry. Like, I bought a Martinez hammer, right? $350 framing hammer. Couldn't afford it at the time. Do I still have it? Do I still use it? Absolutely, right? Invest in yourself, and you got to pay to play, right? If you want to scale your account to whatever, $100,000, $200,000, and you want to enter a $1 million long, you kind of want to get filled properly, right? It's the same deal. I get around with Ryobi just fine. Let's go. I've never used Swan, but just do your research. Look at the reserves. Look at how many users they have on it. Look at the customer support, right? No trades today, Bayte. We got a big gold pump this morning, and now we are just bleeding out against all the late longs coming into VWAP here. So no trade right now. Coming into the top of the hour, 9:01. Trying to hold on here for Solana and Bitcoin. We'll see. Could potentially consider a long here back into these highs, but I'm going to go and grab a coffee and say good morning to my beautiful wife. And that's the deal, really. That's the deal right now. Still waiting. I mean, I wanted to FOMO in, but Discipline said you're an idiot, so I listened to Discipline, which is not always, which isn't always, which isn't always easy. Where's my, there we go.
crypto honest again. Hey, hey, hey. Give it the VWAP slap, slap it, hit the pink box, make the green candle pop. Oh, give it the VWAP slap, slap it, trade the buns, don't get chopped at the top. Oh, base hits, take the money and run. Base hits, now the friction's gone. Wait for the SFP, sweep the lows and go golden pocket bounce. Let the money flow. Hit the outer block, avoid the dark mall wick. Stop loss to entry, don't be a dick for a tick. Archetype for printing. The outer gang is winning. Give it the VWAP slap, slap it, hit the pink box, make the green candle pop. Oh, give it the VWAP slap, slap it, trade the bonds, don't get chopped at the top. Oh, base hits, take the money and run. Base hits, now the friction's gone. Don't be a namby-pamby bullshit. Get out of your wanking chariot. Let's go. Don't be a douche canoe. Manage your risk. Drop at the top. Stop at the top. Wait for the flip. Push it. Slap it. One pick. Give it the VWAP. Slap it. Pump it. Hit the pink box. Make the green candle pop. Oh, give it the VWAP. Slap it. Trade the buns. Don't get chopped at the top. Oh, base hits. Take the money and run. Base hits. Now the friction's gone. Taking the trace, showing the trace. Stay true to the digital. Auto gang. Bye. Harder game. Turn the lights down low. Look at that chart. You know what time it is. It is time to get paid. Let's get in a pink box. Oh yeah, pink box. The only pink box that pays you. Let's get in a pink box. Oh yeah, the pink box. Watch that candle pop. Been waiting all day. Let the price come down. Right into the golden pocket. Nice and slow. Get the friction on. Yeah. Let's get in a pink box. Oh yeah, the pink box. The only pink box that pays you. Oh, let's get in a pink box. Oh yeah, the pink box. Watch that candle pop. Spoon feed it to me, baby. Take the money and run. Woo, yeah. Let's get in a pink box. Oh yeah, the pink box. The only pink box that pays you. Oh, let's get in a pink box. Oh yeah, the pink box. Watch that candle pop. Spoon feed it to me, baby. Take the money and run. Stay true to the digital. Let's get in the pink box. The pink box. Only pink box that pays you. Let's get in the pink box. Oh yeah, the pink box. Watch that candle pop. Spoon feed it to me, baby. Take the money and run. Stay true to the digital. The pink box. The pink box. Let's get in a pink box.
Dump it. Uh-oh.
AlexO, all-time gang gang. We want stop rotation now. Rip the band-aid off into the ground. Take the liquidity, sweep the low. Where does it stop? Nobody knows. Put a 2 in the chat if you
New
want.
Asha. Dump it.
Down to the floor. You in the chat if you are sure. Dump it.
All right. Pump and dump. NASDAQ trying to climb. Gold holding. Coming into VWAP here this morning. Potential pushback. Solana trying to hold as well. Higher low. Continuation up. Pardon me. All right. VWAP's holding here. Not really. All right. So we wait. I mean, whatever this was, clearly like fake out. I think Piper called the short, didn't he? SFP is a high. Pretty aggressive candle. Now rotation down. Breakdown, retest. A little retest to previous lows. Continuation. Ugly, man. Ugly, ugly, ugly. Coming into market open, too. We expect a gap down. Or, I guess the ES, we expect a gap up on the SPY. But then everything else is, yeah, gap up for the SPY. But everything else is, opening up bearish. So, tech stocks especially. So, it's going to be an interesting open this morning, guys. There we go. Big old dump. Rotation. Giving it all back, baby. Beautiful dump. Trapping all those traders. Whew. Dump it, Bitcoin. Big SFP, man. Wish we took this short. Look at that. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short, guys. Awesome. Awesome. 2s. I need 2s, baby. Let's go. GG's, GG's, GG's. Full port long. Discipline said to long Cardano. You didn't listen. That's okay. Who doesn't love getting filled? Top blast that. Now everybody's wanting to bottom blast, right? Big old rollover here. Is that a Dumperelli or Dumperuni? I'd say Dumperelli because I'm Italian. Okay. 2s, 2s, 2s. Let's go. Nice little play. Good job. Just cashed it out. Let's go. Canton. Canton. Yeah. All these altcoin people, man. I'd fucking stay the hell away. You know, altcoin your way to poverty. That's what you're going to do. Buy assets. Click buttons. Keep it simple. I don't think you. Maybe if you Canton, you guys can come and tell me you bought Canton at 2 cents and sold it at $1. Whatever. I don't know. You guys can do whatever you want. August, September, guys. I'm just saying August, September. That's all I'm going to leave it with you guys. You think it's going to be fun? Maybe an early couple of weeks of a rally on August, but I don't think September is going to be pretty, guys. That's just my opinion. A little relief right now. We got 18 minutes till market opens. Bitcoin pump and dump this morning. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. 340 people here. How we all doing? We got 40 people over on X. Hey, thanks for the follow. God bless you guys. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day over there. You guys are all looking at the muscle man picture of me today. Pretty gay. We were looking at Bisons. We were looking at Bison throwing people around this morning, and AlexOCrypto workout pictures. Super gay, but good fun. Failing to hold here, breaking down. This is nasty. Dump it, Solana. Halfway up the candle here for Solana. Potential continuation down. Ooh, considering a short. Little bounce. No bounce on Bitcoin, just down. Yikes. Rotation nation. We are. What a tune, eh? Doesn't that get you all pumped, that song? Youth of the nation. It's quite a eerie song. You know? There's that pushback. VWAP retest, continuation down for Solana potentially here. All right, let's go back over to where's our NASDAQ? I guess we need another one of these out here. Here's our pushback coming into the lows. NASDAQ rotation down. Solana trapping shorts. Nice little rollover here. Bitcoin looking weak. Bitcoin no legs. But bottoming out here on the oscillator. Possible pushback continuation down. See if we can get follow through here. Considering shorts on Solana if we come into VWAP here. Equal lows though. Equal lows into the market open here. Bitcoin trying to hold. Can Bitcoin hold and push back? Doesn't look like it. Considering short here. I like short up here for Solana. No trade yet. Still waiting here. Halfway up the candle. Might have to go now. Look for Bitcoin a little pushback here. Still waiting, guys. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. I see you guys have slapped the crap out of that like button, guys. Thank you for doing that. We got 170 likes, guys. Thank you for supporting the channel, hanging out here. Do appreciate you guys being here, supporting the channel, hanging out, taking the trades, showing the trades, making crypto honest again, daily basis. Very sporadic price action. Looking for Solana to potentially come into VWAP here for a potential short. We'll see. Might have to front run this guy if Nasdaq's rolling over this morning. Bitcoin getting rejected again. And we're looking for Bitcoin to come into all this liquidity down here. If we lose this here, I mean, this is a perfect sweep dump. Could end up being very ugly today, guys. There's the potential for it. Now, I'm not married to it, but there's the potential for it. Looking for something like this. And then Solana would be coming all the way down to these guys down here. Oof. Yeah, that would be nasty. Something like that. We got 12 minutes till market opens here. Could get quite volatile. Bitcoin, a little pushback here, rotation down, retest to VWAP. Now, if we do defend these lows and start making higher highs and higher lows, then we're looking for longs as well. So we're really caught in the middle of the range, right? If we're treating this, we should be treating it like a range until proven otherwise. We are range bound, right? We've buy low, sell high, right? So we remain patient here. We'll see. Maybe Bitcoin get a little pushback here, trapping late shorts, coming back down. But if it's a tech's going to open up bearishly this morning. SpaceX way down here. We got 12% dump here on SpaceX on open. Okay, something to keep in mind. Tesla down, Micron down, Marvel down. We also have ISM coming in today, so we have news data coming in at 10 o'clock. Be aware of that. So ISM services, okay, PMI, right? Looking for this thing to come in 54 or higher. Okay, we'll see. So we'll bring that in together as well. Being prepared. We just don't want to be in the way. As a scalper, I just don't like being in the way of the news, right? I ain't wanting to give it all back, right? That's kind of my thing with news. Little pushback here after a sweep. Okay, grabbing all these longs down here. Bitcoin coming back into VWAP here for a retest. 1 minute order block there as well. So we have a 1 minute block there potentially on Bitcoin as well. Bitcoin hasn't taken the lows, so it's still higher lows, funnily enough. NASDAQ holding the lows as well. If NASDAQ rolls here though, then that would be a bearish, very bearish. Keeping our eyes on the prize here. Thank you everybody for being on the live. A bunch of y'all guys got short at the highs. A bunch of y'all got long at the lows. Good job. No trades for me right now. Still waiting. Patience. Okay. Fake ass economy. SpaceX is garbage. Fake stonks. Ponzi ass. You guys are upset about stocks, eh? Holy smokes. Is Bitcoin any different, right? I mean, it's now ETFs. It's now paper Bitcoin, right? They can manipulate it too, just as much. It's kind of unfortunate, but it's not really the people's money anymore, is it? Bitcoin fails here, we're getting short. If it fails here, we're getting short. That's all I know. All the way down to Valhalla Town. Yeah, we'll set it up. We'll be prepared here just in case. I still like Solana a little bit higher if we're going to short it. Retest and then coming into market open. We can expect some volatility though. Bitcoin stalling out here, trapping potential shorts. So do we come up to VWAP for a slap and rotate down? This just looks all like it needs to be taken, unfortunately. Whee! Right into market open. We got 8 minutes here. Let me see. You guys are all short. What do you guys all want? You guys want dream partner? Yeah, I mean, the dream partner is where it's at, guys. I'm telling you. My life changed when I was with, when I met my wife and settled down, Very important to find your people. Dream cars, dream houses, SpaceX unlocks. Sound like the homies got caught up in the AI hype. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. You dreamed about me grabbing your liquidity last night, Dave? I guess you're one of a kind, man. We love you, bro. That incoming dump will be massive. It would be. Yeah. Sounds like a bunch of people chase the AI pumps. Yeah. I've been waiting for $103 SpaceX, but I have my first buy down there, so we'll see. Good to see you, Shem. How you doing? God bless. Can, good morning. Good morning, guys. Thank you for being here. We'll see where we get to today. 181 likes, 360 people here on the live stream. Thank you guys for being here. We've had a pump. We've had a dump. They haven't been easy trades to take. So if you haven't taken a trade like me, welcome to the AlexOCrypto show. Right now, we're seeing if we're going to continue to rotate down. NASDAQ trying to catch a bid here. Bullish divergence. Watching this pretty closely here. Sweep of the low, but losing lows as well, so could be ugly for the NASDAQ. If the NASDAQ continues to roll over here, we might look for a Biddy and Solana to follow suit. We can see gold is gotten a bid this morning, holding, but not the greatest here. Not the greatest. Bitcoin's not even coming up to VWAP here. Might have to take a crack short here. Coming into market open, we got 5 minutes. Maybe a quarter position size short here on Solana. Something like this. I mean, the targets are so juicy down below. We're looking to get down easy to here. That's an easy 2 to 1. Bitcoin showing weakness here. NASDAQ trying to hold. Still waiting, guys. Coming into market open. Oh, here we go. Oh. Oh, snap. Dump it. Considering the short now. Five minutes. NASDAQ bouncing. Interesting. NASDAQ bouncing while Bitcoin rolling over. Mixed bag, isn't it? Nice bounce for the DAC. Biddy trying to hold here. The Nas is holding here, so interesting. Kind of like a mixed bag here, because if Nas is going to hold here, SPY is going to gap up and then rotate down. That's what I expect for SPY. Gap up, rotate down. Gold trying to hold on here. Gold getting that push this morning, pulling Bitcoin with it. But NASDAQ, it's interesting. I like higher for Solana. I like here. I'll wait here. I will wait here. No trade. Still waiting. I mean, the short looks so juicy. There's so much to come and grab down here, right? With the short. I'll wait. Mr. Pixel. RS Miller in the chat. What's going on, bro? How you been? God bless you. Hopefully you're doing well. What's Money Flow saying? Bitcoin entry? Yeah. Maybe tomorrow. I just want my health back. God bless you. I hope you're... I'll pray for you, Todd Fata. Nothing worse, man. Nothing worse. Hopefully you find your health, man. Expect violence. I love violence, man. You guys know me. Ooh-wee. Send it to 0, man. Bitcoin has no legs. Look at this. Sellers just coming in here. This could be nasty today, guys. I was talking to the Discord with the update this morning, and I said to them, I was like, do not try to catch the knife today. I said I was bearish. I didn't expect this pump, though. This pump to me was very unexpected. Gold pulling up the price action, but we're not trying to catch a knife today, guys. What we're trying to do is participate safely. Right? Participate safely is our job. Right? I think that's how I explained it to the Discord on my update this morning. What did I say?
Good morning, everybody. Happy Hump Day. Look here. However, if we can't, ready in here. A potential liquidity grab on one trend. It's very sweet. We can jump right now. Looking for a little bit of a slap down and then potential bounce. Don't try to catch the knife. Just wait for the bounce and wait for the confirmation. That's how I'll be looking to trade this today.
I shouldn't give them all the sauce, guys. I'm not gonna give them all the sauce. But the sauce. We're always ready. You nasty, Mr. O. Oh, man. Steak or bacon for breakfast? Bacon all day, man. Steak is like... I'm very picky about my steaks. Woof! Here we go, baby. Dump it. So gap up. Expecting down, but we'll see. Big gap up here for the S&P. SpaceX getting rugged this morning. Solana. Sweep of the lows. Can it bounce? We're not trying to catch the whispering trade here. Bitcoin flat. S&P opening up bullishly. We'll see. SpaceX gap down. Tesla gap down. Micron, A-Lab, all gaps down this morning. SpaceX dumping. Pooping the bed. All right. S&P opening up bullishly. This could be led by tech stocks, okay? Be aware of that. This could be led by, right now we have NVIDIA up 3%. We have Microsoft up 1%. Meta up 1%, okay? Not necessarily the greatest here. S&P of the low. Bitcoin rotation down. Solana rotation down. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. Let's go, baby. Dump it. Dump it to 0. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Down we go. Where we stop, only Dusty knows. So we got cascading liquidity, guys. So be prepared. Our job here is to participate safely, right? So we understand all the liquidity down below us here. I guess this one would be, these two would be on our target list first and foremost. But, oh, man. Dump it, baby. Coming down here. I should have shorted Solana right there, guys. Damn, Daniel. Let's go. Down we go. Sweeping liquidity. Number 1 done. 1 and done. Number 2 on the table. NASDAQ. Chop at the top. Nice push out for NASDAQ. SPY holding here. Looking decent. NASDAQ. Chop at the top. Continuing to push. Rotation down for Solana. Solana is dumping, guys. Holy Macintosh. Bitcoin. Woo-hoo-hoo. Here we go. Let's go, baby. Twos, baby. Twos. Twos, baby. Twos. Wow. Coming into our buy level here. Potential buy level. Bounce, 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 bounce. Boom, 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 boom. Send it to 0. Steak for lunch only. For lunch? That's all right. I had bison for dinner last night. That was decent. Some good old whipped potatoes. Garlic butter. You guys are all identifying as pre-rich. Let's go. Beautiful dump here. We are hello darkness, my good friend. All right. Oh, we're getting some what's your sign, girl? Is it water signs? No. Too soon. Liquidity. Dump it, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Django short. Django be sending it to 0. Django, leave some for the rest of us, eh, bro? You taking all the women and you're taking all the money now. Jeez. Nice dump here. No trade right now. Showing the trades, taking the trades, making crypto honest again. Thank you guys for being on the live stream, hanging out with me. 420 people. I didn't plan that. It says 420 and 92 likes. Thank you for being here, supporting the channel. Big old dump, pump and dump. Exciting morning this morning, guys. Thank you so much and hanging out. We'll see where we get to, man. I don't want to get in the way of this thing. I need bottoming structure. I'm not interested in trying to catch a knife today. That is not my hopes and dreams here. Sweeping that low on Solana. I wanted that slap on Solana. We didn't get it. Solana coming back down to 73 potentially here. Yeah, this liquidity here is definitely on the table for Solana here. Damn. Nice dump this morning. Oof. NASDAQ. NASDAQ's pumping. Oh, man. Bitcoin shit. Oh, well, who cares, man? Up, down. As long as we're moving, man. Up, down, all around. I don't really care where Bitcoin is. This is great. We had an SFP dump. We had the bull dips pump. Coming into buy level now. Still no trade, guys. Thank you so much for being here. Gold is pumping. SpaceX dumping. Come to 103 SpaceX and then you can go to Valhalla. S&P still climbing. Biddy's still dying. What a weird market, eh? Holy. What a weird market. Looking for V-shaped recovery potentially if we do get a little. I want to see violence, man. Where's the violence? Where's the violence? Beautiful rollover this morning. Let's go, baby. Shorts all the way. Sweet Moses. You expect this to be a swing short? Could be, man. You do you. You do you. You should have the plan before you enter the trade, but absolutely. Anything could become a swing short. Plan beforehand, right? Continuation down. Smoke them if you got them. 200 EMA 15-minute bounce. Other break, yeah. Bacon is brekkie, yeah. Now we gotta ask the real question. Are we going? Okay, real question. What kind of bacon? All right, here we go. We're gonna go P-mail. I don't even know how to P-mail. P-mail bacon. We got strip bacon. We got, guys, have you ever had maple bacon? Or again, or just a nice piece of ham. You guys tell me. I'm a maple bacon guy. I also like some P-mail bacon. Qs are pumping. Let's go. There's our pop off our buy level here. Coming back up the candle. Woof. Coming back up that candle. NASDAQ. NASDAQ. What is going? This is why I don't trade the NQ. There's a lot of times where I'm like so good and precise on the NQ and then it does this shit. And it's like, okay. I see why I don't trade the NQ. I'll leave that for trades by Matt. The NQ cowboy. All right, Nas proving you with the violence you wanted. There it is, Reggie. There it is, buddy. Right? thick cut pepper bacon. Let's go, Curtis Hill. Maple bacon, baby. That's 100% bullish. It is, man. It's good for you, too. Bacon gang, 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 says Jeanette. Love it. Look at this. Pushback. NASDAQ. Violence. SPY. Continuation up. Oof. Retest to previous lows here. V-shaped recovery. Coming in hot. V-shaped recovery. Sweep of the lows. Nice pushback here. I'm not convinced. Not convinced, Biddy. You're coming back within the range. Retesting range now. Order block tap right now. Order block tap. How does it behave? Oh, what a... Guys, if you bought this level on my charts, congratulations, man. You guys got the biggest stones known to man. Anybody? Put a 1 in the chat if you bought my buy level here. I need to know. You guys got bigger stones than I do this morning. I want to know. Who bought the buy level? AlexOCrypto buy level. There's going to be some Discord members in here saying yes. Oh, man. You guys are for real, eh? You guys are for real. Oh, man. That's a pretty good level, eh? Holy smokes. Don't 15-minute 200 me. Look at this. AlexO. Shrinko. No balls. Shrinkage. I'm in the cold part of the pool. NASDAQ. I don't know how anybody's trading this. You guys are great, man. Thank you, everybody, for being here. V-shaped recovery. Damn. They grabbed all that liquidity and they've sent it to Valhalla, man. That's incredible. Wow. That's incredible. This is bear market price action, man. I love it. We got our VIX back up to 17. No trades, guys. You guys are better than me. Unreal, man. What a bunch of volatile. This is why scalping's the best, though, guys, right? Scalping is the best because, look, that's $1,000. That's $2,000. That's $1,000, right? Done for the day. Go and love your wife, right? That's why scalping is the best. Now, is it easy? No. This is a 1 minute time frame scalping day, though. The way it's moving. How many people got trapped trying to short this down? Oh my God. This is a AlexOCrypto non-participation day and no trades today for me. We got lessons today in the Discord. Wednesday is always a teaching session, which is always fun. I always like helping you guys digest these charts a little bit better. Jeez, this is good. I like it. Retest to previous lows on Solana. Continuation down. Violence to the upside. Violence. SpaceX getting a bounce. Breakout retest. Oh, I might have to take a nibble here on SpaceX. Oh, I don't want to, but I might. VWAP slap. Continuation down. Coming back down for late longs now. My God. Wrecking all sides of the market this morning, everybody. Thank you for being here. Bringing in the market open here with me. SPY, double top at the highs. Very overextended. Gold continuing to climb. It was spiking this morning, keeping that on our radar here. SpaceX consolidation here. NASDAQ pumping. All right. Long bias now. SPY looking a little toppy in my opinion. Keeping our eye on the prize there. NASDAQ continuing to hold and push. Biddy below VWAP, trying to flip it here. We're gonna have a big ass orb this morning, guys. Whoo-wee. Finally, The Rock has come back to Toronto. 209 likes today, guys. We've been crushing it. You guys are awesome, man. Thank you guys for being here. We're going to do a $1,500 giveaway today, too, guys. Sign up with that Bitunix link. Support the channel. Hang out here. Take the trades. Crush the trades. And it's fun, man. This is fun. Can't believe we got 400 plus people here on the live stream. Shout out to the Twitter people over there. I'm sorry I don't recognize you guys in the chat that often. You guys don't really chat over there. You're just there for the you guys there just for the spoon feeding levels. All right. How many we got over there? We got a whole plethora of you over there. We got 50 of you over there on X. How's it going? I'll say good morning to you guys on X. Good morning. Press the like even if you don't like. It's free. You tell them. Dark. Are you from Oz? Are you from Australia, mate? Yeah. All right. V-shaped recovery back within the range. Okay, so range bound trading. We're looking range lows right now. 64,000 for potential long. Coming back within the range. So we're looking in here. Generally, no block in here. Yeah. Fair value gap in here. Continuation up potentially. Solana. Nasdaq's on fire. SPY's ready to go. Ascending triangle. Continuation up. Gold tweezer top. Nasdaq spiking. Jeez. What a day. What a yo-yo of price action today, man. I'm glad I haven't FOMO'd in. This is like FOMO in price action, right? This will really entice you to participate in the bullshit, right? This is, for me, this has been good discipline because this, I wanted to gig along, retest gig along here. Didn't take it. Should have been considering shorts here. Didn't. Right? Breakdown. Now I'm looking for rollover. That trade was good. This trade from the high here on Solana. Should have shorted that. I was looking to short that, but I didn't. And then this V-shaped liquidity grab recovery into our buy level. The way we came into the buy level, I'm not going to hammer it here. Orb is in, everybody. So quite a big orb. Middle of the orb is kind of the range lows here for just defining our range. Just take a fixed range volume profile, pull that across, point of control, looking to hold on to this lower level here at 64,000. All right, very simple way of doing a range. See if we can find support here. NASDAQ continues to climb. SPY, oh, low rollover here on SPY, interesting. SpaceX continuing to roll over as well. Okay, VWAP slap, continuation down here, watching Bitcoin. Still no trade, waiting. Coming down to the range lows here on Bitcoin. Potential hold and continuation up. Downtrending momentum. No trade here, still waiting. There's a good slap down. Higher low. Continuation up here potentially. This is nasty, nasty. Nasty candles up, nasty candles down. SPY is struggling a little bit right now. I like longs here. I almost hit buy here. I almost hit it. Let's see. I'm not taking this trade. I almost hit buy here, guys. I'm probably going to regret it. I want to see how it plays. Halfway down the candle, continuation trade for Solana, holding the range lows on Bitcoin. Stop loss below the low. This is, I almost hammered it here, guys. I didn't, though. I almost did it. Was looking $500,000 position. Would be here. Stop would be underneath that candle low. I didn't take it though, obviously. Let's see how it plays. I think it was a little. I think it's a bit aggressive. Back into VWAP. Bitcoin looks good though. Bitcoin looks like it's on its side. You also got VWAP and upper orb now as resistance, right? So we have the double resistance on Bitcoin. I didn't take it. It's not all there for me. I like the bottoming structure on the oscillator too. It's just downtrending momentum is cause for concern. SpaceX being down, Tesla being down, Micron bounce, Marvel bounce, A-Lab bounce. So tech stocks bouncing. Bitcoin consolidation here. This is a good candle here on Bitcoin. I'm happy with this no trade. Patience, patience, patience. I've been patient this long. I'd be mad at myself for taking an impulsive trade. I do like this, but I think it's a little bit rushed. Halfway down the candle, continuation up into VWAP for Solana. Just trying to get that squeeze. There it is. Aggressive moves through VWAP, trying to hold here on Biddy. There it is. Nice push. Can this close? 40 seconds on this candle. Bullish candle. It's this candle is kind of leading the way, right? Yeah, that was a good scalp. Can it follow through? Downtrending momentum here. So we got this coming through, right? This is kind of the barrier to entry here on Solana as well. Still no trade. Still waiting. Bitcoin. Double top here. Steve ruggling a little bit. Trying to get above VWAP here. Trying to close here. 1 second. No candle close below. Candle close below VWAP. Just trying to continue here. Bullish candle though. Engulfing the previous candle. Trying to continue up. I don't like the topping tail, but I mean, what the hell do I know? Still waiting here. Nasdaq sweeping down. Continuation up. Strength. Gold cooling off. SpaceX cooling off. Coming back into our gap now for the SPY. I expected the pump and dump here on the SPY, but Bitcoin has pumped and dumped already. Trying to get above VWAP here. Can it push? Anybody in any longs? This is war. Lower for bull div, yeah. Frankie candles. We love Frankie here. Do you remember when you found AlexOCrypto? Frankie Candles Discord, man. That was like where I first used to hang out before I even had a stream. Hey, man, I recently joined the stream. Welcome, Amin. Thank you for being here, man. I don't know. I think a lot. Crypto Face sponsored the channel. A lot of people came from Face. I used to teach in Chart Hackers. I don't know. A lot of people from everywhere, man. Those were the days. Yeah, they were. They were, Jesse. Good to see you, bro. How you been? Push. Anybody get long on that Solana there? Look at that. Bitcoin looking good. Bitcoin looking good. That hammer candle, man. Don't fade the hammer time. Look at that. Target hit. GG's. There's your spoon feed of the day. That's why everyone comes here. They just like the spoon feeding, man. Target hit. A little bit of hesitation on my part today, guys. That's all. Little bit of hesitation. Not like me, not normally like me, but this shit kind of put me off today, really. It's okay. Preservation of capital is more important than taking trades that you're not certain about, right? Less trades. When you have that epiphany about taking less trades and you make more money, okay? Less trades equals more money. That equation, patience equals more money. When you have that epiphany, then, you know, everybody knows who knows. Profitable traders know. The more I wait, the more I restrain my conditions to my entry models, right? The more I confine these down into precise entries, the more profitable I am. That's just my experience. View up, slap, retest, continuation up here. Into resistance, major resistance up here. Retest to previous highs. Slap on Solana. Still waiting here. Thank you, everybody, for being here and hanging out. A spoon, but you wouldn't take it, yeah. Doesn't count if you don't take it. That doesn't really instill confidence for us to take it. Well, that makes sense. Like I said, it's the price action this morning that's really I don't like it, man. It's been doing these moves for weeks, yeah. Maple bacon. Let's go. JR knows. Bison in the ramen tonight. Let's go. Face brought me here. Yeah. We love Face, man. He is family. What a wreckage, right? Like, grab the bears and bulls both directions and send it. Just send it, man. Larry the Enticer. If you know, you know. Spy flagging out. Look at gold. Gold's climbing again. SpaceX bounce. Bitcoin climbing. Solana climbing. Coming into VWAP again for Solana. Higher highs, higher lows. Continuation up. Trying to push out here for Solana. Beautiful trade. Nice liquidity to come and grab in here if we do push through here. Bitcoin flipping orb into major resistance here. So red line here. So see if it can get above this and start trading above this. If we do that, then we're looking to come for the liquidity of the high. Still waiting. Good candles here on Solana. Continuation all the way up. Trend range trend. Slow grind up. NASDAQ flying now. NASDAQ's pushing back, high, holding the higher lows, continuing up. SPY looks good here. Trying to push. Can we get going? Doing the giveaway in 1 minute. We got the giveaway. Why are we pumping again? There's more buyers than sellers, man. You just got to keep it simple. Wayne smells a big dump. This price action is clearly meant to get people to stop trading. Quite possible. How do I join the giveaway? You just sign up and deposit with Bitunix. You get VIP 3 and deposit bonuses, and we do the giveaway every week. Is NQ going for all-time highs to get rejected at the end of the week? Possibly. Shouldn't we retrace from here? Because we're into golden pocket retracement here. Well, you've done a job, right, Dave? So you took the liquidity out of the high, you took the liquidity out of the lows. We're range bound trading. We came back, retested the bottom of the range, and we're continuing upwards. The trend is up now since mitigating the high here. So you should be looking for higher lows, continuation up into the liquidity of the high here. Okay. If you go on a higher term time frame, you can clearly see we swept this liquidity and now we're heading up. Job was done, holding the uptrend here. And now we're looking for a continuation. Major trend is still up. Makes sense? So even though we're into resistance here and we're struggling a little bit, right? You can see, look at the candles here, right? Higher low, continuation, continuation, higher low, continuation, higher low. And you can see the exhaustion on these wicks. Buyers are stepping up and pushing price. So you don't necessarily want to fade this. You want to let it escape, come back and continue. And this is where you want to execute. Right? That's what I see. Solana into major resistance right now. My son's obsessed with Ice Ice Baby. He starts like humming it. He goes, Ice Ice Baby, bum 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 bum. He's hilarious, man. So good. All right. Well, guess we're gonna top blast this thing. Thank you guys for being here.
Yeah.
Giveaway. AlexOCrypto. Yeah.
Better sit low when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Van bass up my wallet. Yo, stay true to the digital. All the gang, gang, gang. Let's go. I walked away for a minute just
NDO.
to get it going. Came back to the charts and the price moved up me. Saw big green candle pushing through the VWAP. aggressive move up, so I didn't wanna stop. I felt the FOMO rising, yeah, I felt the itch. Thinking I was pretty rich, about to get rich. I ignored the bearish Steve on the market side for B, just to degenerate. Yeah, that was me. I didn't wait for the retest or the golden pocket tap. I just market on it in.
MIW, let's go. $500. We just lost 20 people on the live stream. They can't handle the truth.
I didn't pay myself. Now I'm round tripping trades, bad for my health. I pressed the green button when I should have clicked sell. Top blasting the high straight, the trade in hell. Now I'm sitting in my
BEL. Congratulations, guys. See you tomorrow for another 15.
My stop loss, now it's a hassle. I used to be a carpenter, dropping spikes all day. Now I'm clicking buttons, throwing gains away. It's absolutely grim, mate. The price action is trash. Sure waited for the sweep to secure the cash. I got tilted, started spiraling, losing my head. Should've closed the laptop and gone back to bed. Don't be an underpambe, don't be a douche canoe. You gotta wait for the setup to come to you. Be the turtle, slow and steady, that's the race. Don't let the green candles punch you in the face. I wanted to slap a lily, the big V whack slap. Instead I got chopped up in a bull trap, making crypto 1 to 10. That's the plan.
Wild. Okay, continuation here. Pump, dump, continuation up. Looking for this thing to continue up into this high here. Trying to hold on. We'll see if it does. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live stream today. No trades for me. Lots of trades for you. It's just one of those days. We'll see if we can find something this afternoon with the Discord. Hopefully you've all had a wonderful stream. Thank you guys for being here, supporting the channel. God bless you. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof of building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets.